Welcome to MojisStyle Club.
Hi guys, and welcome back to MojisStyle. I hope you guys are having an amazing day today. So I have another DIY for you guys. This I think is a very versatile item. You can use it during the springtime, summer, fall, winter, all throughout the season. You can use it in your kitchen. You can use it as part of your tablescape throughout the year. And I really like the way it turned out. I will show you how I made it. So if you want to see how I made it, just keep watching. And I have two quick announcements before that. First, I have my very first home decor haul video coming up soon, so watch out for that. Please turn on your notification bell so you can be notified every time I upload a video. And also I have my very first come shop with me at the Dollar Tree video coming up soon, because it seems like a lot of people are not finding what I'm finding in my Dollar Tree. So I want to take you guys along with me on that ride, so you can see what I see. So please let me know in the comments down below if you want to see such videos so you can actually see what I see when I go to the Dollar Tree. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get into this DIY. Here are the items that you would need. You need this garden dish from Dollar Tree, a tea light candle holder, a tall glass candle holder, and a nub. You can use a large crystal acrylic gem in place of this nub. And also you're going to need some E6000 glue. So the first step is to go ahead and measure out the diamond wrap to the top part of this garden dish. And we're going to use the hot glue to secure this into place. So you go ahead and apply your hot glue to the diamond wrap. And you basically just rub that around the top part of this garden dish. It's very, very easy, guys. We're done with the first one. So we're basically going to repeat the same steps for the second one. So you go ahead and measure out the diamond wrap around the top part of this bowl. Apply your hot glue to it and secure it into place. The next step is to go ahead and apply the E6000 glue to the tall glass candle holder. This is going to be the base. And secure that into place. Apply pressure to it to secure it into place. The next step is to apply the E6000 glue to the tea light candle holder, and we're placing that right on the center of that bowl. Next, we're applying the nub onto the top part of this tea light candle holder. So you go ahead and apply your glue to the nub. And we're placing that right on the top part of that tea light candle holder, making sure that's well centered. Next, we're going to be creating the second display bowl. So you go ahead and apply your hot glue to the tea light candle holder and place that right on the bowl. That is going to be the base. So next, we're going to be doing the same thing for this. Apply your hot glue to the top part, and that is going to be the second display bowl. It's so easy, guys. The third one that I made is this one here. This one I didn't add any diamond wraps to it because I wanted a more simplistic look. So if you're going for a more simplistic look, this is perfect. You don't have to have the diamond wrap around it. And I added the tea light candle holder to the middle here. And I used the glass bowl that I have laying around for the base. So here it is. Here's the end result, guys. Absolutely beautiful. I really, really love the way this turned out, and you know it. It really goes well with my style. I'm going to show you what I have inside of this bowl. Here I have some artificial decorative fruits that I got from the Dollar Tree for the first one. For the second one, I have also some flowers that I purchased from the Dollar Tree. And inside of it, I have some crystal acrylic gem and also some clear gems that I got from the Dollar Tree. And I'm basically just putting that in there just to kind of hide the foam so you can't really see it, or you can't see it at all. And for the third one, I have also some decorative fruits that I purchased from the Dollar Tree here. And I really, really love the way this turned out. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please go ahead and give this video a big thumbs up. And if you're new to our channel, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button if you love to see more DIY videos like this. And I really want to thank you guys so much. And I'll see you guys next time. Take care. Bye-bye.